Hi, I'm Linda Peavy, your Grant and AI Funding Authority. Welcome to the Grant Minute, 60 seconds to smart funding strategies. Today we're going to talk about the grant rejection. Look, rejection is information. It is not failure. When you receive a grant rejection, it's easy to assume it means, oh, your organization just isn't fundable. That assumption is usually wrong. A rejection simply means something didn't line up. The timing, fit, clarity, or capacity. Strong organizations treat rejection as information. They review the funder's priorities, look at where maybe alignment just was weak, and adjust their approach. Sometimes the idea is solid, but the funder just wasn't the right match. Other times the impact or population wasn't clear enough. Every organization that you admire has been rejected multiple times. The difference between those who get funded and those who don't is persistence and learning. Rejection is not the end of the road. It's part of how strong funding strategies are built.